So connecting of the cabinets. Here we use the clamps, to fix both side panels together. Here, now we fix it. Here, look, is everything flush? The front edge, the top edge. Two clamps. Now it's fixed. Now the most important work, pre-drill with a 3.54 millimeter driller, and you drill not 10 millimeter, not 12 millimeter, no, you drill in 17 millimeter. The complete side panel and 1 millimeter of the side panel. Very important. 17 millimeter, please. So now we put the front clamp to the back. We need for the side panel of base unit 3 screws. 2 in the front, 1 in the back. That's all. The next one. Same procedure. Here, sink unit, we remove the cover blend. So internal front. Okay, make it flush to the front. Fix. Top one. So, flush. Nearly. Now it is. And fix. Okay. Here now you can drill in this place behind the cover later, yeah, or behind the hinges, for example. So fix with our screw. Okay. Here the same. So fix 3 millimeter. Here we use 3.5 millimeter. But when you don't have 3.5 millimeter, 3 millimeter is okay. 4 millimeter is also okay. But 4 millimeter pre-drill is the maximum. So in the back, same. 3 screws per 2 cabinets. Okay, finish. So now we want to fix the kitchen to the wall. When you open all 3 drawers and screwdriver drawers and pull-outs, it can be that the kitchen falls down, and we have to fix the kitchen to the wall. And for that, you get some metal holders for the back, and you can put it into, like here, the sink unit, into the oven housing, for example. You need it for the towel unit, put it on the top or in the cupboard or in the niche of the fridge freezer or fridge. And here we fix it to the wall with a dowel screw and the side panel with 15 millimeter length screw. And now the kitchen, the 3 cabinets are fixed and protect it against falling down. So here, zack, fix, yes.